Hi, I'm Donna, and welcome back to my series of line dance steps. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to rock recover and also the rocking chair. For the rock recover step, you're really just rocking forward and back or rocking side to side. The rocking chair, basically the same thing, only bigger. Now, the wagon wheel is a very fun dance that uses both of these steps. I'm going to show it to you first, and then I'll turn around so you can practice along. Let's dance. So this is how you rock recover. You can rock recover forward and back or side. So let me show you how you do that. So with our right foot, you're just going to rock on your right. You don't even need to move this foot. And then rock back and together. Rock forward and together. Rock forward and together. Rock, recover. Or backwards. Back and together. Rock back and together. You can also rock side to side. So we're going to rock out, together, rock left, together, rock, recover, rock, recover. Now if you rock forward and then rock to the back, that's a rocking chair without that middle step. Forward and back